What's up, audience? In this series, we are going to talk about a Dell Inspiron laptop. We've got here is an Inspiron 1525 right there. It's a Dell laptop. Yeah, what do we got there? Core 2, Windows Vista, kind of old school. And we are looking to get rid of it. So coming up, you're going to see it being taken apart. Welcome back. Now that our battery and hard drive are removed, we are going to take off this centerpiece here, which is going to house memory and some other internal parts. So let's go ahead and take those screws out. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Now that the back panel is off, we can see the memory is right here. And then right back there is our WLAN piece for our wireless LAN. And if we lift this up and we push this bracket up and this bracket down, memory pops up and out. We should get the same warm and fuzzy from this one down here. Pop the two brackets, pull it up, and pull it out. And so that's how you remove the back panel of our Dell and remove the memory and see some of the interior components.
Awesome!